Okay, so unfortunately that video went because the moment the laptop blacked out, the video wasn't saved. So we'll just do a quick recap so that we reach where we ended last time. So this was the question here. It says, 2 in 10 marketing strategies randomly sampled are known to be ineffective in a banking sector. Calculate the probability that in a sample of 6 marketing strategies employed in the banking sector, A, none are ineffective, B, more than half are ineffective. So colleagues, we are dealing with a binomial distribution. Binomial distribution is a type of survey or experiment or test done when you only have 2 outcomes. A success, which is your desired result, and a failure, which is not your desired result. Okay, success, your desired result, and basically what you're investigating. Okay, so here we're investigating ineffective banking strategies. Okay, so a success is when the banking strategy comes out to be ineffective. And a failure is when the banking strategy turns out to be effective. So as I said, with a binomial distribution, you have to look for the probability of the success. In this case here, we've been told 2 in 10 marketing strategies. So probability of a success, 0.2. Okay, this is the probability that a marketing strategy is ineffective. Q, which represents the probability of a failure. Remember, probabilities add up to 100% or 1. If you're dealing with decimals, total up to 1. It's percentages, 100%. So if the probability of a success is 0.2, colleagues, what's the probability of a failure? Colleagues, this is not the time to be quiet. Okay, this is not the time to be quiet. Mr. Vincent, what is the value of Q, the probability of a failure? Basically, the probability that a marketing strategy is effective. Yes, 1 minus 2, 0.8. Okay. Then, the other important factor you need to get, since here we've been told 6 marketing strategies, so N, the number of things that we are testing, in this case, the number of marketing strategies is 6. Okay. Once you get these 3, then you're on your road to success with this question. So, probability that none are ineffective. So we did these workings. Let me highlight it. This is the formula for the binomial distribution. Okay. N, we'll replace it with 6. X, as I said, X is going to be. Who are you calling, madam, whose phone is off? The mobile subscriber you have dialed. Okay, yes. So as I said, X, the value of X depends on what the question tells you. So here, since they said none of the strategies are ineffective, so X will equal to 0. Okay. So it's just a matter of substitution in this formula here. Okay, where there's n, you put 6. Where there's x, you put 0. P, probability of a success, 0.2 to the power x, which is 0. Q, the probability of a failure, 0.8 to the power n minus 6, 6 minus 0. Okay, when we break it down, 6 factorial over 6 factorial, 0 factorial, we get 1. 0.2 to the power 0, we also get 1. 0.8 to the power 6, we get 0.262144. Okay, and then when we multiply this, we get 0.262144. So basically the probability, so if we convert this into percentages, this is like 26.21%. So this is a probability that out of those 6 marketing strategies, none are ineffective. That is the probability. Any questions? Part B, more than half are ineffective. So we've got 6 marketing strategies. Half of 6 is 3. Okay, so we say more than half. So we mean the probability that more than 3 marketing strategies are ineffective. Okay, so since it's more than 3, put it like this: x greater than 3. Okay, so basically we want to find the probability that 4 marketing strategies are ineffective, plus the probability that 5 marketing strategies are ineffective, plus the probability that 6 marketing strategies are ineffective. Let me show you how it was written down here. Like this. Are we okay with this part, colleagues? Any questions? Okay. So first we start with the probability that 4 marketing strategies are ineffective. Okay, colleagues, those who got the answers, let's compare answers. Okay, so here 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 4 factorial. Did we all get 15? Okay. 0.2 to the power 4. Did we get 0.0016? Let's get our calculators. Let's confirm. 0.0156. Okay. Colleagues, our calculators agreeing with this. Remember, this is maths, So don't just come to observe. Okay. Do not just come to observe. Okay, we go to the next. The probability that 5 marketing strategies are ineffective. Okay, so we have 6 factorial over 1 factorial, 5 factorial. When we did this tabulation, did we all get 6? Madam Sylvia, why aren't you saying anything? That day, we even clapped for you. We even, mm, okay. Point 2 to the power 5. Did we all get 0.00032? Okay. So zero point 0.8 to the power 1 is 0.8. So when we multiply them, we get 0.001536. Any questions? You got something else? Yes. No, you can even, you won't be penalized, madam. Okay, the probability that 6 are ineffective. So 6 factorial over 0 factorial over 6 factorial. What did we get? So that is, this should also be a 1 here. Okay, 0.2 to the power 6. It is 0.00, 4 zeros basically, 6, 4. And then 0.8 to the power 0, that is 1. Uh-uh. You ain't? Sure, sir. Okay. No, but at least you are solving, and next time to make sure you. Yes. So, uh, so 0.8 to the power 0, that's 1. So when you multiply this, you get 0.00064. So after that, we just add our probabilities. Okay. 0.01536 plus 0.000. Oh, let me zoom in so that we're seeing them clearly. Plus 0.001536 plus 0.00064. What do we get when we add these three? Mm-hmm. Let's see. Oh, two zeros, huh? Yes. Okay. So I'm getting 0.01696. Colleagues, what are we getting? Mhm. Okay, can I do this? Can I just finish up so that I save the recording, then we'll review them, okay, colleagues? Yes, yes. We'll come to that, okay? Yes, so this is the probability. This is, if you convert it into a percentage, it's 1.6%. Okay. That's a probability that more than half the strategies are ineffective. 1.696%. Okay. Then here for the, let me just first save this one first.